So I'm just going to screw these up and leave them in a metal bucket in the sunlight. While that's soaking, concentrate on the irons and get these sharpened up. I'm going to turn a new little striking button out of some beech.